Hi, I'm Lorna, and I found this great little deal on eBay that's going to make such a fun little craft item. And I thought I'd share a little review with you. It's a little troll doll that came without hair, but this adorable little sweater. Isn't that cute? Now, I have no idea how he looks without the sweater. We're going to look together and check out the little troll doll. Oh, look at that. He's made just like a troll doll. He does have toes, albeit elephant feet, and little fingers. He is thin, but on a shelf, no one's gonna know. He's got glass eyes, or what appear to be glass eyes, that are well mounted on the inside, like they mount dolls. So for the cost, the sweater was worth more than what I paid for the troll. I don't know how many more of these are left because I went to get more, and not only did the price go up, but they are hard to find now. But he is cute, cute, cute. And I'm going to do another video on how to make troll hair. I have one on long flowing hair. That is the troll dolls with the very long yarn hair. And I really like those. Those are my preferred. But I thought we'd take some Christmas yarn and see if we couldn't make him traditional troll hair. Thank you for watching our video. Please leave a like and subscribe. And come back for the hair video. I'll be doing it soon.